Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this NYX. This is Juice Gloss Electrolyte Infused Color in the shade Watermelon Sugar. And I got this from Walmart. I showed it in my recent new makeup that I found at Walmart haul, which is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. And this is a very intriguing line. It's very neon and bright, it really catches the eye, and it has incredibly high ratings, which is very exciting and promising for me. I have never heard of makeup products having electrolytes in them. I'm not really sure how that is beneficial in a makeup that you're just applying onto your face, but it's intriguing. This has 5 electrolytes, 5 different nourishing oils. It's cruelty-free, vegan. I will say I'm surprised by how expensive NYX is now. I guess that just goes to show how long it's been since I've shopped NYX products, but this cost $7.97. So basically $8 for a lip gloss. And I have gotten to the point where I think you can get amazing $1 lip products, but I am still very excited to try this out. First, let's check out the applicator. Ooh, it's like a rounded paddle applicator, and they all have different scents to them. So let's see how this one smells. Oh, it smells so good, like a juicy, sweet, delicious watermelon. Watermelon, for some reason, is my favorite scent for lip products. So I love this. Oh, it's so nice. I just love when my lip products have a good smell to them. But I have very dry, chapped lips, so I'm also excited to see how hydrating this is going to be. So let's find out. So going on completely clear, which is fine. Has a nice feel to it, not sticky, but it's also kind of thick, which I like for a gloss. Sometimes if it's very oily, it can be very thin. This has a great feel to it, beautiful shine, and very moisturizing, which is what I was expecting and hoping for. My lips are completely hydrated, no chapped areas, and the lines in my lips also look a little bit more smoothed out, which is something that I like to see in my lip glosses that are very hydrating. So it's great. It's a beautiful lip gloss. I understand why it's so high rated. It has everything I look for in a lip gloss: a great smell, shine, hydrating, like deeply, immediately moisturizing. I really like how my lips look now, but I'm just not like blown away by it. I do feel like it's just a nice classic lip gloss, a very good one. And I guess $8 is not extremely expensive, but I do still feel like I have found the same effect in less expensive, even $1 lip products. But this is good. I definitely will continue using it, and if you don't mind spending $8 for a very good lip gloss, then I think this is a good option to pick up. But this does come in actually a lot of shades. At Walmart, it only had 3 shades left, like the green, I think the blue, and then this one, and I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna go for the more safe bet. But it comes in a bunch of beautiful, fun shades. So I like that as well, but they're all still gonna pretty much look clear but have different scents to them. So if you have tried out any of the other flavors, colors, scents of this, let me know in the comments down below how they are. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.